What's up, guys? We're gonna build beats. Today we're gonna be making a hard plug styled beat. If you do end up enjoying the video, make sure you do hit that sub button and turn post notifications on because it helps out a lot. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So BPM wise, you can really use any BPM. I like 127. I use that a lot. You can go up to 160. It doesn't really matter with this style. So for the sound selection, the most important thing is to pick a sound that matches the vibe, right? If you want to make a Christmas type beat or whatever, you probably want to use like those Christmas bells that sound very cold and they have like reverb on it. So stuff like this, you want to find something that's very spacey, right? And like evolving. So I looked up this pad here. I thought it sounded good. And I took out some of the bass. You could probably pull this up a little bit more. Right, it already has that type of sound that we're going for, right? So that is a way you can kind of, I guess, creep around sound selection without, I guess having an experience if you don't. All right, so for the chords, this is simple. We don't need a scale today because it's pretty simple. Just use 7th chords. Preferably for me, I would use minor 7th. So if you want to be lazy, go to stamps. You can literally take in minor 7th or 9th. You can just place them down. Boom. And then if you want to really cheat, okay, and make this quicker, you can go down 5 from here or up 7. So 1 2 3 4 5. Oops, let's restart. 1 2 3 4 5. I think I done went down 6 as well. Yeah, and I don't know how to fix the beginning, but we should be cool. Let's pull this up an octave, and there we go. We have kind of a loop. So let's move on to the next sound. All right, so now that we have this, everything else should be 10 times easier. So one thing you do need to have on if you want this to be faster is you go up here to piano roll options, view, and then down here turn on ghost channels so that you can see for your next, you can see the notes that you placed before. And this is the sound we have. This is all factory presets. So this is just a sound I found and I thought sounded nice for a piano. So we're just gonna throw these literally up in here. So we don't have to play it the whole time. Let's start down here, Shift D. Perfect. Let's put a 3rd spin on this. We need a metronome to make sure it's on beat. Okay, I think that's good. And we don't have to play this the whole time. We can try it, but I don't think we need to. Yeah, I don't like that. All right, so I think that's good for the piano. We don't always need to do a lot with the piano. We could just add a little bit. This is supposed to be something that is quick. So we can move on to our lead. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start the lead. Now I want to do a little bit more with this because I feel like we just was a little too lazy on these. So we can do some more. And this is just the sound. It's a default sound. Okay, and I just up the delay. So let's go in here. And first thing, I'm gonna just cheat it. I'm gonna just take the original chord and just take the top note, and we can use this, and we can turn the metronome on. Use this as a start note. Okay, and then let's take the same note. Trying to fix these notes up. Let's add some flams in here. Let's do a flam right here. Offset it a bit. All right, that's gonna have to do for now. I like that, and I'm gonna pull this one up slightly just so it stands out. Let's copy this over, and I like that last part. Make sure it's in the right spot. So I'm gonna delete this, and we're just gonna take this part, and we could just repeat this. And then let's just do like a little like custom delay. Then we're gonna shift D and just play this out. Okay, that's just gonna have to do. I like that. Now we can start doing the 808 and drums. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do now is we're going to do the drums first and then put the 808, because I want the 808 to fit. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just go through these, and I'm gonna try to do it real time. Okay, almost done. Let's just throw some more of these in. Let's do like a little thing right here, the snare. Okay, I like that. And I guess we can just do the 808 right here since it's all here. So obviously we just take these, so D to A, and then we just kind of throw some stuff in. Well, actually, I'll cut it up. I'll cut it up so we can so you can click the chapters. All right, so like I was saying, we just take our D to A, and I just wanted to chop this up so that people can click the chapters, through YouTube or wherever. So we're just gonna take this. All right, and this is the power of the ghost notes. You can kind of see the notes on here. We're gonna shift D, turn this up. And honestly, just from here, you can just kind of have fun and just do as little or as much as you want to do. Go to 1/2 beat. Okay, I think that fits nicely. Last thing we're gonna do, and I'll just play it all the way through. I probably need to turn this down more. Right click, set to next bar, so it repeats on the next part. I might take the second half out. Put this to 64, and put the 808 to 64, and there we go. I'll just play it all the way through. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.